quick tip tutorial, and this can apply to other cars. This one particularly is to the Cadillac CTS 2012, but if you're having this problem with any other vehicle, this might be the first common sense thing to try that could just resolve everything. So basically what's happening is when I turn on the ignition, usually the lights turn on down here for the AC, and you can see it's completely dead. The radio still comes on, but the dash, no. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to want to disconnect your battery terminal for about, I'd say, 2 minutes, and then reconnect it, and that should get everything up and running back to normal. So let's go in the back, guys. Alright guys, so here we are in the back, and so this is just easy and faster, and it's been working, and I haven't had any problems. I know some people might debate, oh, don't take off the positive, take off the negative, or don't take off the negative, take off the positive, but it's been working, haven't had any issues. So yeah, so with the Cadillac, of course, you've got to lift this lever up and push it back, and then you can just pull it off. Right, and just let it sit like that for about 2 minutes. All right, so here we are, and there we go, guys. Got our lights back on, full functionality. Hey, I just wanted to tell you real quick, guys, that with certain vehicles you might have to do some extra programming. I know with my car I have to hold down both of my front window buttons down and then hold them back up, so that way it programs the automatic down and up with the windows. Some vehicles may be different, but you might want to just look into that after you connect your battery and turn on your vehicle. And so this is for all electronic devices, right? You always want to try the power first. If things are not functioning right, disconnect the battery, reconnect the battery. That's the first place to start. I hope you found this video useful and saved you a ton of time, saved you a bunch of anxiety, because you don't want to have to tear apart this dash or any dash. And so yeah, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, drop a comment if you have any questions, and until next time.